Hi there, welcome back to new video, and today we are going to discuss a question that many web developers ask. How much HTML and CSS do I really need to know? HTML, or a hypertext markup language, is the backbone of any web page. It structures the content on your site from headings and paragraphs to images and links. CSS, or cascading style sheets, is what gives your HTML a visual appeal. It's used to control the layout, colors, fonts, and overall design of your website. When you are beginning, focus on mastering core HTML elements like headings, paragraphs, lists, links, and images. These form the foundation of most web pages. For CSS, start by learning how to style text, change colors, set backgrounds, and apply basic layout properties like margin and padding. As you progress, understanding HTML's role in creating structured layouts becomes crucial. Master the use of divs and semantic HTML elements like header, nav, main, section, and footer. Delve into CSS layout techniques like using floors, positioning, and the modern Flexbox and CSS Grid for responsive designs. In today's mobile-driven world, responsive design is a must. Learn about media queries and how to make your website look great on various devices. Build on your CSS knowledge to make your designs adaptable to different screen sizes and orientations. Explore more advanced CSS properties like gradients, shadows, transforms, transitions, and animation to add art to your designs. Frameworks like Bootstrap provide pre-designed components and layouts that can speed up your development process. While frameworks are helpful, remember to grasp the underlying HTML and CSS concepts. Our dependency on frameworks might limit your creativity. Web development is a continuously evolving field. Stay curious and open to learning new HTML and CSS features, techniques, and best practices. The best way to solidify your skills is by building projects. Create a personal website, portfolio, or small web application to apply what you have learned. To sum it up, mastering the basics of HTML and CSS is essential, but don't stop there. Grow your skills by exploring more advanced techniques and staying up to date with industry trends. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Keep practicing, experimenting, and enjoying the process of crafting beautiful and functional websites. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on web development and technology.